Hello student, this is chapter number 3 from the book Snapshot, class 11 NCRT. Chapter name is Ranga's marriage. Student, this is a very interesting story of how a person manipulates to get a young boy married to an 11-year-old girl in a village. If we discuss about the character of this chapter, we have three main characters. First one is Ranga, second one is the writer himself, and third is Ratna. Let us start first the chapter. We will discuss about the village Hosali, which is the place of the story. That's why I have written that canvas of the story. This is the name of the village of the story, and this village plays a role for the canvas of the story. Means all the incident of the story happens in this Hosali village. Yes, students, there is no matter if you have not heard the name of this village, because this village has not written in any geography book and no any cartographer mark it on map. That's why earlier you have not read and heard about this Hosali village. Now there are two quality of this village which make it famous. Village famous for mango sourness. The mango that was found in this village are very much sour, and there is a vine in a pool, and the leaves of the vine are very much broad. For those two reasons, the village is famous and known in that area. Now we will read about Rangappa. Rangappa is the main character of this story. He is the son of village accountant and is the very first person who went to city to enroll himself in an English medium school. Because this story is during of the colonial period when hardly the people used to go to city to enroll themselves in English medium school, and Rangappa was the first from his place who went there to enroll himself in English medium school. After getting his education, completing his education, when Rangappa came home, his his homecoming was very unusual event. People came to his home to touch him, to check whether he lost his religion or not, to get his one look. Means the people were very curious to see that whether he has developed some changes due to the English medium school or he is the same. So his homecoming was an unusual event, and all the villagers came to his threshold only to get his look. Now, writers meeting with Rangappa. After this homecoming, writer meet with Rangappa. Rangappa did namaskara to writer, and the way Rangappa did namaskara to writer, it was not a way like you can see that just without folding the hand one say namaste, but contrary to it, Rangappa did namaskara with folded hand. Even he prostrate in front of the writer. He respect the writer a lot. After that, after this courtesy, writer and Rangappa start discussions. In between the discussions, writer asks about marriage, but Rangappa did not give any positive response of the question that was asked by the writer regarding the marriage. Writer decided to get him married, but writer decided that he will get him married soon. For that, writer made a plan, and writer involved the astrologer, village astrologer in his plan. As I have written, that writer involved the village astrologer in his plan. And what it is plan? Whatever the plan he made, he told all the things to astrologer. And on the particular day, astrologer set Ranga's marriage based on the information he has already been given by the writer and using the calculation of stars. In this way, writer and astrologer completed his mission of getting Rangappa's marriage. And students, in next video I will send you questions and answer based on the chapter.